All right, here we have my mom on the left, Nabiha, Mama Nabiha, and my aunt Nahiya on the right. So we want to know how to make the dough. So who wants to take this, Mom or Nahiya?
Mom.
Okay, so how do you make the dough?
You put a little bit milk, little bit butter, little bit oil, and
Oh my God.
with yeast.
Oh, what's Nahiya say?
No. Just put, let's say, maybe 1 pound of flour to third pound of whole wheat, and put the yeast. You could have the instant yeast, and you just sprinkle it over the flours and whatever.
Mom, I'm videoing
And
you. You know, you're watching you eat. You're in the video.
All you need is a little bit oil, like vegetable or canola. And that's all. No butter, no milk, all that. If you
How-
want.
No, you have to make that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Good dough.
I
What do you
make
mean
it
good
and
dough?
comes good dough.
Mom.
Oh.
Mom.
Yours is better?
Yeah.
Better way.
Much better.
Yeah,
Much better.
Yeah, because of
Okay, so okay, let's skip to the when you put it in the oven, do you put broil on the top at the end to make it brown?
Lukewarm water.
Yeah.
You have to use
You
lukewarm
put
water.
down to make brown,
Yeah.
and you put it on the top.
How
to
long
make
do you put
brown.
the broil on for? How long?
How long? I don't
Until
know
it
how
comes
long.
golden brown.
Okay, well we'll come
Okay.
back with the real video machine. This is just
Yeah.
a test video. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye and say bye in Lebanese.
Ma salam.
Allah ma'akum.
Ma salama.
God with you, whatever.